गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं सीमा श्रीवास्तव आपके लिए लाई हूँ चैप्टर 5 द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ का पार्ट 3। हम इसके पहले सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स के बारे में ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं। तो इस पार्ट में हम पढ़ेंगे, फर्स्ट टॉपिक रहेगा डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल, एंड सेकेंड टॉपिक विल बी डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोकैरियोटिक एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स. So we will start with difference between plant and animal cells. So this is a table which shows the difference between plant and animal cells. So first point of difference is about cell wall. Cell wall is absent in animal cell and it is present in plant cell. Why is it present in plant cell? It is an extra covering along with around the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is present in both the cells, but cell wall is present only in plant cell because to face the adverse conditions. So plants are present outside the house. They don't have a house like us, so they have to face different seasons, harsh conditions. So they have an extra covering known as cell wall. Then we talk about plastids. It is absent in animal cell and it is present in plant cell. Why is it present in plant cell? We know that plants make food with the help of process known as photosynthesis, which takes place in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. So chlorophyll is present in the part chloroplast, which is a type of plastid. So it is present in only plant cells. Now vacuoles, how are they different in animal cell and plant cell? It is present in both, yes, but it is small in size and numerous in animal cell, but it is large in plant cell. It covers almost 90% of the cell area. Okay, now if we talk about centrioles, it is present in animal cell, but it is absent in plant cell. What is the function of centriole? Can you tell me? Yes, it helps in the cell division. If we talk about the size of animal and plant cell, generally animal cells are smaller in size and plant cells are bigger. Now we can see the structure. Here we can identify what were the differences. First difference, this is plant cell. This is animal cell. First difference was cell wall is present in plant cell, but it is, can you see a cell wall? No, it is only plasma membrane which is present in both, but cell wall is absent in animal cell. Now we talked about plastids, or we can say chloroplast. It is present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Centrioles are present in animal cell and it is absent in plant cell. You can see you can compare the size also. Here this is smaller in size, this is bigger, and this is vacuole. You can see it is covering almost 90% of the plant cell, but here can you see there are very small vacuoles present, this way. There are numerous vacuoles present in the animal cell. So this was the difference between plant and animal cell. Now we will talk about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now if we talk about the size, prokaryotic cells are generally smaller in size. So what is the size? It is 1 to 10 micrometer. And if we talk about eukaryotic cell, it is 5 to 100 micrometer. So 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. You can now see the difference between nucleus Nucleus is generally absent in prokaryotic cell, and the genetic material is concentrated at area called nucleoid. We studied in last class that this is a cell. If it is prokaryotic cell, genetic material is concentrated in a area, small area, which is known as nucleoid. Okay, what we saw eukaryotic cell, there were proper membrane bound organelles, like nucleus was having double membrane. Now if we talk about chromosome, it is single in prokaryotic cell, but in eukaryotic cell more than one chromosomes are present. But there is an exception to prokaryotic cell about chromosome. What is that exception? You must have heard of the bacteria Vibrio cholerae. It is having 2 chromosomes, but it is a prokaryotic organism. Now, membrane-bound organelles we already studied. These are absent in prokaryotic cells, but it is present in eukaryotic cells. Like we studied about various membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi apparatus. Some are single membrane and some are double membrane. Now we can take some examples like bacterial cell, cyanobacteria. These are prokaryotic organisms, and plant cell like higher organisms like animal cell, fungal cell. These are all eukaryotic organisms. So this was the difference between plant prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now here is the important point to note. Undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acids is called a nucleoid. We already studied. Now here it is time for the question. Which cell organelle has its own genetic material and ribosome? We studied in last class. The answer is plastids and mitochondria. They are having own genetic material, that is DNA. That's why it can replicate, and it has also ribosome, so it can make proteins. Ribosomes are the protein factory. With this, we end our class, and you will find the link of other classes about the cell, that is chapter 5, in the description. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.